Hello everybody and welcome back, and basically what we will do right now is I will show you how you will install a tool that we will be using in order to perform our man-in-the-middle attack. Now that tool is called basically man-in-the-middle framework, and it doesn't come pre-installed on Kali Linux, so you will have to install it from the GitHub repository. And after that we just need to install some of the requirements that it has, and basically after that you will be good to go and you will be able to run the program. Now I already have it installed right here. As we can see, it is right here, man-in-the-middle framework. But I will still show you how you can download it yourself. So go to the Firefox, open up your Firefox. And basically what you want to search is just MITMf and then GitHub. So you open up the first link and we will download it from there. Let me just open this up. And let's search MITMf GitHub. So we click there, press enter. And we will open up the first link that comes up, which is this one. So click on it. And you will see that this is the tool that we will use. Now if you scroll down here, you will see its files, and here you will see some of the explanations. So it says right here, this project is no longer being updated, so you might need to add some configurations yourself if it doesn't work. But we will install the requirements ourselves. So here you have some of the features. Here you have the description. MITMf aims to provide a one-stop shop for man-in-the-middle and network attacks while updating and improving existing attacks and techniques. So active packet filtering modification, you can also use Skippy to do that. As we can see right here, this is some ICMP packet, this is just an example. Here we have some of the examples of the usage. We will basically cover all of these, or most of these, in the next lectures. For now on, we just want to install this program. Let me see if there is something down here. Currently available plugins, you can see what it currently has. So we have HDA Draw by SMB Trap, Screenshotter, we will also cover that. Respondle, SSL Strip, that was what I was talking about. If you can use the SSL Strip to bypass some of the HTTPS websites in order to decrypt their data. Here we have spoof, so we will be using the ARP spoofing. Also some of the DNS spoofing. You have some of the other options such as inject file prone, browser profiler, and keyloggers, and all of the other stuff that we will also cover. So right now what we want to do is just download this file. So let's copy the link and basically open up our terminal. Let me just type in my root password, so change to the desktop, and we type here git clone and then paste the link and add .git. So this will download the file for us, well, for you, since for me it already exists. As I said, I already have it downloaded right here. And once you do that, once it downloads and it copies the file into the MITMF directory, you want to change the path to that directory, and you will have this file right here called requirements.txt. Now in order to install those requirements, you just want to type here pip install -r requirements.txt, and it will install all of the requirements it needs in order to run this program. Now that could take a few minutes to finish, depending on how many requirements you already have satisfied. But once it finishes that, you basically just want to type here mitmf.py, and it will run the program for you. Now I believe I need to specify, or wait, let me just check something. Okay, so it gives us the output of that program. As you can see, there are a bunch of options right here. Here we got some pretty banner right here. You can type --help, which basically gives you the same output as this command, which without the --help. We have some of the other options such as interface that we will have to specify at all of the times. Port, read, config file, filter, spoof, ARP, ICMP, DHCP. So these are just a bunch of the options for spoofing with the ARP packet, the ICMP packet, the DHCP packet, DNS packets, and so on. Shell shock payload, we did cover what shell shock is. You will also need to specify the gateway, so the program knows who is the router Here we have the load plugin, so we can inject the JavaScript code, so that could be interesting. Here we have some of the white IPs, black IPs, white domains, black domains. Inject content only for these domains, so this is basically just whitelisting and blacklisting. We have the JavaScript keylogger, as we can see right here. We will also try to use that. And we have a bunch of these other options that we can use as well. Now, we will cover all of those in the next videos. For now on, I just wanted to show you how you can install this tool and you can see what kind of options it provides. So, the other tool that we will also cover after this, but not in details, would be the Ethercap. It comes pre-installed in Cal Linux, and also I have it installed right here. So you will be able to use it without downloading it. We'll cover some of the basics for it as well. It is also used for the man-in-the-middle attacks, and after this section you will have a really good understanding of how man-in-the-middle attacks work, and you will also know how to perform them. But you will also know that it is something that can be detected. So ARP spoofing is especially easily detected, and I will also show you how you can do that. It can also be done with a simple Python program, which we will make later on. But for now on, that would be it. So in the next lectures, we will continue using these two tools, and I hope I see you there. Bye!